Hi you guys, this is Tiffany and welcome to episode 1 of my vlog. And today I decided to give you an apartment tour. This is going to be a full apartment tour, so sit back, relax, grab a drink, and let's get into it. So this is my front door, and beside my front door I have installed this coat rack which I hang my bag and my dog leash on. Speaking of dog, this person is my dog, and he will be watching me and following me the entire time. His name is Nash, and he is a 6-month-old mini golden doodle. I got him about 4 months ago. Love him to pieces. So, moving on, behind my door is just a utility closet, and here is where I keep my garbage can, broom, mop, things of that nature. And beside that is my washer and dryer area. These come with the apartment, and I even have a little shelving on top to keep my laundry items as well as some additional household goods. So when you walk in, the first space is the kitchen. It's a really small kitchen, but with me just being one person, I feel like it's more than enough space. And one thing that I really love is how much cabinet space I have. And every cabinet is filled with something. So let's see what's in here. These are my dishes. And I have put them together rather nicely for you just for this video. No, seriously, they kind of always look like that. And then I'll show you a couple more drawers. This is kind of where I keep my smoothie stuff and some other like oils and all that good jazz. And what else? Oh, this is the pantry. Love the pantry. Kind of just keep random items here. Like I said, I have so much storage space. I love it. And let's start with this refrigerator. So this is my refrigerator. It's the refrigerator on top and the freezer at the bottom. And let's just take a peek in my refrigerator. There is rarely food in my refrigerator. I need to stop eating out so much. All right, so this is what the counter space looks like. Now, I really love these tiled backsplash. I think it's so charming. And I like to keep the counters pretty clear, even though I don't know if this would qualify as clear. But over here is kind of like my little area of like decor where I keep like some cookbooks, and I love adding pops of color by adding like towels and pot holders and candles. I feel like that's a super easy way to kind of add color to your space. Other than that, you're gonna see that my apartment is pretty neutral. So moving on, I have this really long island that kind of functions as my eating space, although I rarely eat here. I've added these 2 wide velvet counter stools that I got from Wayfair, and I will make sure to link them below as well as all the other items. So don't you worry, I'm gonna have them in the description box. All you have to do is check it. So this is what my counter looks like. I really need to do a centerpiece, but I can't decide on anything. So I just keep my dog treats and a candle, because I'm always lighting candles and I'm always giving my dog treats. Nash, do you want a treat, buddy? Let's give Nash a treat. Sometimes he try to act like he don't really like it. So this is the Haven sofa from West Elm. It's in the color alabaster, and it's the linen weave. I really love this sofa. I have been wanting this sofa for at least 2 years now, and it's mine, and it's so comfortable and soft, and it's pretty easy to clean. The linen is kind of stain resistant, so I think I made a really good choice on my fabric. And I love this pillow. This pillow is from Etsy. It's this velvet leopard pillow. And I see that pillow everywhere on every Pinterest board. And I was like, I love it. I want it too. So I got it. I want it. I got it. And in the center, I have this boucle throw. I love boucle. If you saw my previous video, I used to have a boucle love seat right here. But after I got my dog and I had to like put his crate here, I felt like it really just didn't give us enough space in the home. So I ended up selling it, and I'm sad and I miss it, and I did not sell it for half of what I paid, which I kind of regret, but I really just wanted it gone. So I have this art here, and this art is from Etsy. I am such a fan of finding art on Etsy and then just printing it out at Walgreens and getting some frames from Michael's. It just makes everything so easy. And then I have this display case here that I got from Wayfair, and here's kind of just where I just add a bunch of like books and decor items, and I'm constantly like grabbing things from here and like switching them out. And so every time someone comes into my apartment, if you're really watching, you'll notice that something is different here. And I know by all design standards that this rug should be bigger, but I really did not want to spend a bunch of money on another rug because my dog pissed and threw up on the last one. So I was just like, I'm going to get just a small little cheap rug that I can keep for like a year or two until my dog is like fully house trained, which he's potty trained, but sometimes he will like throw up, which I mean, he probably will never stop throwing up at some point because he always eats everything. But yeah, one day I'll get a really nice rug. All right, so let's talk about this table. This is a Logan table from Crate and Barrel. And what I really love about this table is the unique curvature. If you look at the edge, you'll see that it's not a straight line. It just has like some really unique curvature. And this table is heavy as I don't know what. It's definitely 200 pounds. I don't know if I've just been broke all my life and always have had like cheap wood, or if like expensive stuff is supposed to be heavy, because this table was very expensive. I think it was like $1,000. This is my table area. And in front of my table is my media console. And in my media console, I just kind of keep some books and little decor items in there. And here is my TV. And if you will notice, you should not do this, but I mounted my TV and I had them hide the cords behind the wall. But I am going to have them like patch this up before I move out, because I wanted my TV mounted, but I did not want cords hanging. Like, tell me this doesn't look so nice like this. Moving on to the last little space in my apartment is my little work at home station. And I added this desk to my station that I really love. I think it's so cute. And my pink iMac in the center. And then I have some little art drawings that I got from Etsy, of course. I'm a big roller skater. So of course I had to have some type of roller skate art incorporated into my apartment, like very subtly. So yeah, this is my desk. This lamp is from West Elm. I love West Elm. I feel like West Elm should just like give me a sponsorship. I will like turn my whole home into West Elm. This is my bedroom, and I wanted my bedroom to feel very tranquil and relaxing, and of course floor to ceiling curtains in my bedroom. But this time I went with the linen weave. Now, I think these curtains are very beautiful, but I would probably say you should get a shade behind them, because when the sun comes up, I come up, because all of the light comes through to my room. But other than that, I really love the decor of my room. My bed is from Wayfair. I am such a fan of the tall headboards, and I think it has a really cool texture that I love. all of my bedding is from West Elm. All right, so here is my nightstand, and this nightstand is shitty, so I do not recommend it. I will not even be linking it. It is so janky. Like the drawers like are so janky. Like it scratches so easily. It came from Wayfair. Don't recommend. 0 out of 10 stars. Now, one of my favorite things in the room is this pot. This pot is from West Elm. And these eucalyptus branches are from Crate & Barrel. I really feel like this is such beauty. Like I love it. Like I love how this looks. And then I have my lamp that I got from Goodwill and a candle because I always like candles, and my Alexa. Hey Alexa, play Beyonce, because why not? All right. Underneath, I have some books and a little bowl and some decor. And I just noticed Alexa did not play Beyonce like I asked. It's okay. I'll listen to it after this video. All right, so in front of my bed is my dresser. This walnut dresser is from Wayfair. And I have some simple yet gorgeous decor on top. This taper holder is from West Elm. This container is from the Container Store, and then this vase is from West Elm, and the eucalyptus branches are from Target. The mirror is from Wayfair. So yeah, now you know where everything is from. And yeah, this is my room. Oh yeah, and that little floor lamp is from Wayfair. Okay, so moving on to the last space in my apartment. This is, you guessed it, my bathroom. You know, being one person and having a double vanity just makes me feel so wealthy. You know, I wash my hands in that one and then I brush my teeth in that one. Like, how wealthy can you get? So I keep the decor very simple, mostly candles and fragrances, because I'm always, you know, trying to make everything smell good. And then I have this little towel. I got this from World Market, and it's just here for a little decor, but mostly the bathroom is kind of plain. Behind this is my shower. I do not have a tub, so it's like shower only, and it's probably a little unsanitary right now, so we're not gonna even look in there. But yeah, it's just a shower, no tub. But yeah, so this is what my bathroom looks like. Show you my little pendant lights up there. I think you call those pendant lights. Correct me if necessary. And then I have these little cabinets. And this is, I'll show you what's in my cabinets. This is just where I store my towels. All right, so the last thing to see, oh, there's a hamper for my dirty clothes. And the last thing to see is just my closet. It's really disgusting, so I'm only gonna show you like a sneak peek. All right, here's my closet. Bunch of junk and stuff behind, so we'll just keep that to ourselves. But yeah, this is my apartment. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's really simple and I love it. Nash is here. Nash is not allowed on my carpet, and he knows it, so that's why he's just like camped outside my door. I love it. Golden Doodles are so smart. They're so easily trained. They're so easy to train. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the tour. All right, get out of my house. Goodbye.